You could have new guys lining up your whole street, yeah. But I got lucky and somehow you chose me. You're so damn bad you could just have your own league. So they all stare whenever me and you meet.
On the same shit for a month, don't feel the same when it's done, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from Alipearl Hair. So it came with a wig cap, this really beautiful lash set, an edge comb, this ribbon, and also this Alipearl branded edge wax. So let's start installing. The length of the hair is 22 inches, and as you can see, the hair density is 180. This is the hair. It's obviously very beautiful. I can't even wait to put it on my hair. My hair is currently in boho braids, and I've already gone ahead to blow dry the Vpart that I'm going to use. So I'm just going to clip these ones to the back. This is my Vpart, y'all. It's not the cleanest, but it's going to work. The hair came like this. I just had to cut that off, and it's very easy to install. You just have to, place the Vpart on your own Vpart and just install the clips and make sure you secure it tightly. That's all. Very simple. After securing the clips into my natural hair, I just went ahead to brush the hair down. It feels very soft, and the length was definitely perfect. Now this is my first time trying my hand at straightening any hair, so I'm definitely a learner. We're going to be learning together because I feel like Vpart wigs are beginner friendly wigs. So I bought this flat iron. So this is the part of flat iron. You can see the difference. This one is still looking puffy, this is looking flat, even though it's not as flat as I would want it to be. I might go in and flat iron it again, I don't know, but I just wanted to show you guys the difference. The hair feels very light, and quality is so nice. It's very soft. It feels like just my natural hair after blow drying it. You guys, look at the natural hair that I said I already blow dried in the beginning of this video. It went on and it got frizzy, so I'm just detangling it with my tangle teaser, and I also blow dried again. And if you're wondering why I'm not using heat protectant, I already used that earlier while I blow dried it at the beginning of the video. So I'm just making a center part now, and I went on to also just flat iron my hair very lightly because I'm very scared of heat damage for my natural hair. Y'all, the moment I started brushing my hair against the wig, that was when I realized that, oh, this is actually like a perfect match. It matched so well, even though I already flat ironed the wig and I just lightly flat ironed my hair. It was a perfect match. I know my natural hair did not cover the wig at the back, but I later fixed that. But you guys, look at the match. Apart from my hair color, it was a perfect match. And yeah, I decided to add some layers. My hair is quite long, so I had to trace where my natural hair stopped, and I started cutting from there. So you want to cut diagonally from where your hair stopped till the end. So that was what I did. It was pretty simple, and my hair was already starting to freeze up here, but I was still very much mesmerized by how the two textures of hair matched so well. To style the hair, I decided to give it some curls using this coiler. So this is my first time coiling my natural hair, so I actually struggled a bit trying to get the perfect curl or trying to even use the coiler. Yeah, so when I finally got it, I was really happy, and then I went ahead to comb the whole hair.
So tell me what you need. We can do a lot, whatever you need. And I can make you happy too quick, don't be. You ain't never met somebody like me. Let's talk about it in the morning, 'cause I don't wanna think you're in the mood tonight. Whether we in the crib or if we stepping outside, it's gonna...
I called the part that had my natural natural hair, I had to go ahead with this leave-in heat protectant just so I don't damage my natural hair, because the oiling wand was very hot. So I was just giving my natural hair that extra protection that it needed.
You know how it make you feel. Yeah, you know how they make you feel. And I know you know it's real. Yeah, yeah.
The curls came out so beautiful. I really liked my result. The hair was looking so pretty. I used some edge wax on my hair because they started to get freezing. I don't want to add extra heat to it. Definitely blame it on the weather. I went ahead and used the brush that they sent me to just lay my edges to make it look so natural, and it actually turned out very cute. This is the final result. I really love this wig. It's so pretty. It's very simple, very beginner friendly, and everything that you might need for this Christmas. So if you've always wanted to try a Vpart wig for your natural hair, girl, this is your sign to go get it. Okay, so the description to this wig is going to be in the description. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.